So here we have two random tone generators going. And I'll put them sort of out of sync. If I add some randomize into it, you get some weird patterns conflicting. Now what I'll do is just kind of sync them back up again here. Maybe I'll add one with reverb. Okay, this one's got some reverb. Let's see what we can do here. So that's two of them, with one going through a reverb and one on normal. Okay, so here I have one random tone generator set up with a reverb, and it's set up on its random mode, which allows it to go to its maximum tone length and below, its maximum pause length and below, and the range of notes. It'll pick from anywhere within it. Try giving it kind of a lower range. If you go too high with the range, it'll get a lot of higher notes and not so many lower ones. I've got some for frequency. If you decrease it, the maximum length is a little bit long, or a little bit shorter. Same with the pause time, you can kind of speed it up that way.